And I'm here with Brandon Boyd, multiple seven-figure earner. He has over 20 years of business experience and has had over 700,000 people in one company in his organization, and over 1 million people in the past 20 years. He's a two-time master distributor, trainer, and mentor. And Brandon is about to do the biggest launch of his career, and we want you at the top with us.
Guys, I've done this time and time again. I've been at the top. I know how to stay at the top. This is your chance to make it to the top with us. Our mission is Project 5000. Over the next 90 days, we're going to launch 2019 with 5,000 new individuals within our company. And what we're going to do is create hundreds of leaders making fantastic residual income based upon how serious that they are and willing to work and run with us.
And listen, I know that you want to hear what the company is, or what the product is, but we're not going to release that quite yet. Okay, there's a reason behind this, but just know that this is a trend that is taking over the world. We're in the digital space, which means higher commissions, instant product delivery. Okay, no more dealing with shipping products, waiting for products to arrive. Not only this, but the product itself can help you make money without recruiting a single person.
Man, I love it. Look, our plan is real simple. We have a system that anyone, and I mean anyone, can follow using a text message, a video, and a pre-registration form. Nobody will be paying us anything at the time to sign up. So on February 25th, we're going to launch with 5,000 people. We're going to have a massive sign-up process in which you can instantly hit new commission ranks upon plugging in your team. Your goal between now and February 25th is to follow our system to bring on board a minimum of 12 pre-registered individuals. The ultimate goal is that 10 of you will pre-register a team of 200 people, and you'll position yourself to potentially become a six-figure earner within the next 90 days.
Listen, he said 5,000 people, okay? You heard it correctly. 5,000 people will be launching with us in our organization on February 25th. Now, it doesn't matter what company you're currently in, what you currently do for work, okay? All that matters is where you want to go. This is your chance to be at the top with the best of the best, okay? Do not miss this opportunity. We'll see you guys next time.
See you guys on the other side of success.